All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and are you studying the right thing at tech school? First and foremost, the tech school you go to isn't as important as most people think, as long as it's a complete, comprehensive program. So I've done videos on UTI, expensive. They have universally good programs. And, a lot of their students are universally panned as useless. Don't agree with that. Doesn't matter if you go to a UTI or a local tech college. What you get out of it is what you put into it. If you're, barely passing, barely paying attention, you're probably not going to get a lot out of whatever school you go to. First and foremost, the truth. Put in the effort, pay attention, gather as much information you can in school. Fundamentals of brakes and stuff like that is really important for day-to-day life. You're going to be doing a lot of brakes. You're going to continue doing a lot of brakes until EVs take over. That's just facts. Cars wear brakes out. But on the other side of it, once you get basically the basics of brakes in, it's pretty redundant overall. So what I really want young technicians to focus on, and it's really important the school you go to has these programs: diagnostics, electronics, and advanced diagnostics. These are the classes you really, really, really want to pay attention to. It's the most important thing you're going to learn in tech school. Now, keep in mind, you come out of tech school, you're going to go to doing basic stuff, but the more skills you have in that area, the faster you can climb. Just a fact of life. You get out of school and you don't know how to diagnose a basic check engine light, it's going to be a little harder for you to move up. But if you gain that knowledge and you understand how to get information, how circuits work, it pays massive dividends in the work. When you're working and you can come to a conclusion based on data, not identifix and throw a part at it, but you can actually look through the service information, operation of the device, and learn from that to be able to diagnose it is immeasurable. So spend the most time you can studying diagnostics, studying electrical things. Everything in a car nowadays is electrical, including brakes. Steering, everything, communication networks, massive dividends when it comes down to what you get out of school. The more you learn about these, and before anybody says it, you're going to have to keep learning about these systems. It doesn't end with tech school. Systems change. There's always more stuff to learn. If you're not learning in this industry, you're falling behind. So keep that in mind. I always recommend tech students go watch Scanner Danner's channel, get as much information. He's, one of the masters of automotive education on this platform. Go watch his videos. Scanner Danner Premium is also very worthwhile. He has his lectures on both YouTube and YouTube Premium, depending on what part of it is. Go watch those. Go watch his lectures on advanced diagnostics. Well worth it to pay the premium to go watch Scanner Danner Premium. Not affiliated with him in any other way other than we know each other. I don't get any kickbacks or anything like that, but well worth it as a resource for a young technician. Helping understand circuit design. Great home study stuff. You got a little while, or, his videos aren't short, but continuing to grasp that information on electrical circuits, solenoids, all that information will pay dividends when you get out of school. I know it's frustrating when you first get out of school and you're changing oil and you're not doing that kind of stuff. Diagnostics and advanced diagnostics, electronics, communications will pay huge dividends no matter where you go to work, because these are skills that are in high demand. And if you can master these skills, nobody's a master of anything, side note, But if you get very competent at these skills, it will pay massive dividends in your career. Understanding that is the importance of what you take away from tech school. Learn as much as you can about this subject. Not discounting, brakes, steering, suspension, etc. You need to learn that stuff as well. But electronics has invaded all parts of a vehicle, and that part's not going away. So learn those systems, and it'll pay huge dividends when you get out of college. So I hope you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.